Hey guys, Dominique here. I am the lead catalog inventory manager here at Sunken Stone, and today we are learning what is an Amazon inventory strategy. First question is really, what's an inventory management strategy in the first place? And that is a set of processes created to ensure that you can meet the demand of your products for your customers. An Amazon specific inventory strategy, same concept, just within the Amazon space. You want to beat out that competition by always having a competitive in-stock platform. The quick bullet points of how an Amazon strategy can help you are: 1, understand your inventory. What can be sent in? What can't? What does Amazon require of your products, and how can you meet that need? 2, supply lead times, production speeds, warehouse capabilities. What can your team handle, and what needs to be adapted so they can handle more? 3, utilize appropriate supply chain components. Are you using the best carriers for your products? Could you streamline your labeling or your production? Do you have the correct packaging? 4, create systems to automate the issues you find within those components. How do you or will you monitor the units after production to the customer? And 5th, an Amazon inventory strategy can help you to implement strong and repeatable fulfillment processes. You want to scale. Can the processes you have in place handle and sustain growth? Thank you so much for watching today. Please like and subscribe down below, and then also pick up a copy of the Ultimate Amazon Playbook. In the next video, we'll be discussing further the benefits of an Amazon inventory strategy.